Order number 2, communication from the chair.
Before we proceed with the business schedule for today, approve the motion of removal of the governor from office as it appears in the order paper. Honorable members, we are now ready to take a vote on this motion. Sergeant at Arms, to ring the division bell for 10 minutes.
And I can confirm to this House that the most experienced pilot is around, and in the next 2 minutes, the plane will be touching down.
Somebody has logged in my name. I am not there. I'm not for the impeachment of the governor. So that is fraud. Whoever's used my name, it is fraud.
To say the truth is, I'm in Mombasa. I've not logged in, and whoever's logged in with my name, that is fraud. And I'm not ready to impeach the governor of Nairobi. This year should take investigation.
You can all see I'm here. But the system of
you
the
can see, this is a person.
Exactly.
Yes.
As in they logged in my name while my phone is off. So I want to dispute that and say that I'm here in support of the governor and I'm not going to impeach the governor.